Gonna be a good hike. We got a long ways to go. We're gonna wrap around that mountain over there and then start heading up. Put on our snowshoes in case it's deep.
Yeah.